Hello and welcome to this unboxing video. Today we're going to unbox this handheld vacuum cleaner. The company's name is Sencor and the model name is SVC 190W, and as it says here, it's a high suction performance dry and wet vacuum. This has a 7.2 volt battery. It's wet and dry, so you can clean also liquids, spilled liquids. And it has a charging base. So let's have a look here around the box. It's basically the same information all around. Here we have some information. It said it has a wall mountable charging base, washable permanent filter. It has attachments for upholstery brush, crevice tool, squeegee nozzle, and it has a charging indicator. And says here that it's made in China. So let's open it up and see what's come inside the box. There is a sticker here, and so this is the charger. This is the charging base. Okay. And as you can see here, this is where you plug the vacuum cleaner. And it says here that it's 100 to 240 volts, 50 to 60 hertz, and the output is 0.25 amperes and 275 watts. So let's put this aside. This is the user's manual. This is some other information. Warranty certificate. And this is the user manual in Arabic. Now let's pull it out and have a look here. So if you press here, you will open it up like that, and you can remove this part here for cleaning. Back in like that, and align this with here like so, and close this back again. Let's have a look here, and okay, so it already comes charged. This is here a max indicator level, so when you should clean it. Okay, let's have a look at this tool. So this is a vacuuming attachment for liquids. I guess you just attach it. You just attach it like that, and when you put it here, it will push that latch and it will open. So you will suck the tools. It's very simple removal and insertion from this angle, and this is a brush nozzle attachment. You also just insert it here, and that's it. And you can clean this way. So let's remove that. And these are screws for fixing the base unit to the wall. Now let's see how can this be charged. So let's say you fix this to the wall, and this will come in. So it will hang like that from the wall, and the charger here will be inserted inside the unit, and it will charge it. Of course, if you don't want to use the space unit, and it will charge. So let's remove this from there. So what comes in the box: the user manual and warranty, the vacuum, the charger and the wall mount, these two nozzles, the liquid nozzle and the brush, and these wall mounting screws. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.